Hi, my name is Kyle Hartland Brown, and I'm making an app that I'm calling Bandly, which is a musician social media app where different musicians, bands, and producers can list the songs that they've written, allow people to listen to those songs, as well as kind of advertise themselves in a professional sort of way in order to try and collaborate and reach out to people that they would like to collaborate with. The code that I wrote this time is everything involved with the player interface and every class necessary to make it work, besides my messenger interface, which I will be integrating later after I make everything here fully functional. So the first thing I made was an artist, which is just an abstract class that I extend into musician and producer. And then I have a band class, which is composed of a list of musicians and then also a list of open positions for that band. Then I have a song and album class, the album class being composed of a list of the type of songs. And then the song class, of course, just being a individual song, both of which, album and song, can use the player interface to play the songs based on the path. Currently the player interface, though, just prints out a fake song path to make sure that the interface is working. So the code that I wrote this time was writing all of these classes and then also writing a main in each class that will prove that each class is able to instantiate itself and then print. So for artist or for musician, I just print out the name of the musician after it's been instantiated. Same for producer, to prove that both of these are working. And then for band, I print out the first member in the band list of members, which is right here, a musician list. And then it prints out the list, or it prints out the name of the band that musician is in. For song, it just prints out a fake path based on the player interface. And then for album, it does the same, but it prints out every path in all of the song list here. It prints out every path for every song that's been added to the song list when it was instantiated into a new album. So this will eventually just be a media player that plays the songs one after another, but right now it's obviously not functional. It's just printing to make sure that I have the interface, or that I have the interface instantiated and implemented correctly. So next I'll be designing an actual graphical system in Java to interact with my app. I will also be making the player actually play songs that I've added based on these classes, and I will also most likely be creating a database in order to store all of my musicians and my players and such. Yeah, I might be able to do it without making a database, but currently I plan on doing so.